Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 won't boot due to BIOS issues, you're not alone. This can happen for various reasons, including corrupted BIOS settings or failed updates. If left unresolved, these issues could lead to further complications, including a completely unresponsive laptop. Today, we'll guide you through the steps to extract and fix the BIOS, ensuring your device gets back to full functionality. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement BIOS chip if necessary. First, ensure that your device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a flat, static-free surface. Using the plastic opening tool, carefully pry open the back panel, starting from one corner and working your way around. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips. Once you have access to the internals, locate the BIOS chip. It's often situated near the CPU and is typically rectangular in shape. Take your time to identify it correctly. To extract the BIOS chip, gently lift it from its socket using the plastic tool. Be cautious not to apply too much pressure as you could damage the surrounding components. If the chip is particularly stubborn, you might need to slightly wiggle it back and forth. When replacing it, align the new BIOS chip with the socket, ensuring it fits snugly. The screws holding the back panel in place are usually Phillips screws. Use your screwdriver to secure them, but remember not to over-tighten as this could crack the casing. Once everything is in place, reconnect any cables you may have unplugged during the process, ensuring they are seated properly. Now, before closing the back panel, plug in your device and power it on to check if it boots correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent BIOS issues from recurring, ensure that your device's firmware is up to date and avoid sudden power cuts while updates are in progress. Regularly check for updates and maintain a stable power supply during critical operations. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.